dedicating the science, giving you those results. And I mean, speaking of results, like another mic drop moment in the show.
Oh my gosh.
Let us not forget what we're seeing on our screens here. 8 weeks.
Whoa.
Look at the difference in her neck. We're going to be talking.
I've never
Oh,
seen
you've
these.
never seen it? Oh my
no,
gosh.
That's why my reactions are real, because
Yeah.
I've never seen any of these before. That's insanity.
Okay, so here's the scoop on Sub-D. This is cold plasma plus technology. We spoke about this earlier in the show. It's incredibly popular because it's a powerhouse. This is the result on your neck, on your chin, on your neck. This is what cold plasma plus sciences can do for you. 8 weeks. Look at the softening in her neck, the line, the wrinkle, the dryness, the texture, all restored, all softened. It's like someone just tightened her right up. And that's 8 weeks, and it gets better. Can you believe it? It gets better.
It gets better.
I feel like I'm on a game show. Like, and wait, like there's more. It really, it's always the case with Perricone MD, because we really put so much into our formulations. We spend the time to clinically study to make sure that we're delivering the best of the best for you.
And so this is concentrated.
Yes.
I mean, you're getting 2 ounces. A little bit goes a long way.
Yes.
But at this sale price of $69.98, may I suggest, if you can, and this is just throwing it out there, if you can get more than one. Because at end of the month, right, it's June 20th today, end of the month, this is gonna go up to $135.
Oh my gosh.
It is $69.98. That is your sale price. $14 on Easy Pay. You're getting 2 ounces, a 384-860. So this is going to promote the most visible signs of a youthful looking neck. So we saw it in the before and after. That is one of the main places we see aging, right? I mean, it's around the eyes, sometimes around the lips, but then you look at the neck. And that's usually where you start to lose definition on the jawline, and everything kind of just starts blending into one.
It's not so fun.
So not really fun. So this kind of reminds me of what we saw earlier, right? For the face, which is going to help with all of those signs of aging, and this is going to improve fine lines and wrinkles, uneven texture, skin dullness and tone, elasticity. It's like a dream for your neck. I'm excited for the before and afters.
It is such a dream, and wait until you see these before and afters, because they really are incredible. Look at this before. This is why we focused in on treating the jawline and chin included into the neck, because that's where gravity starts, right? Like, it pulls down from there. You're seeing that in the before there. There is a pull, right? Like, she's lost definition in the chin and the jawline area. But then after 8 weeks, not only are those lines and wrinkles completely restored and softened up, look at the definition coming back. Look at that starting in the chin area, the chiseling coming back. It's tightening, it's softening that 8 weeks ago she didn't have. And then 8 weeks later, she'll continue to have. It's just, it's one step a day. So easy to do, and you get results like this. 8 weeks, another one. This one, like, we want to talk about definition. Look at the neck in the after. How much more soft. The texture improved. You see, like, all that dryness, those dry wrinkles. It's incredibly tough to treat as an esthetician too. It's the hydration makes such a significant difference here. The richness and texture of this cream really make a difference alone, but then you add in all the science on top of that. Encapsulated caffeine, peptides, DMAE, these are really big skin boosters and strengtheners. That's how you get a result in the after. Incredible.
You know, I'm just thinking, so many women, I think, choose how they dress and what they wear because of their neck. A lot of women wear like higher neck items, even when it's warm out, or always go for the turtlenecks. I mean, this is one of those game changers where it's like, hey, now you want to wear something that maybe that lower neckline, you're going to feel confident. You have that big event coming up and you want to wear that something a little special. You want to wear a necklace to bring people's attention to that area. Like, you can do it. In 8 weeks, you're seeing those results, but think about the in-between weeks. I mean, you're going to start seeing results, I would say within a week, you probably start seeing results.
Absolutely, you can. And you know, you're so right. It's, you know, scoop necks that we tend to avoid, or, you know, even early on too. I had a show with Jane earlier that we were talking about, you know, tech neck, right? In your 20s. Like, this is kind of beyond even the aging factor. This is us looking at our phones, us putting our chin down all the time, right? Like, this is a wonderful cream to incorporate at any age, at any stage, but I especially love it as a preventative. I love it if you're somebody that's, you know, in your 20s, if you're shopping for somebody that you know is constantly using an electronic device too. Now you're seeing Jody apply it here too. Here's my tips on this. A little bit goes a long way. I love like a nickel-sized amount. Dot on the neck and apply up. I like to say, imagine like you're just sculpting. Everything go up, 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 and then bring it back. That's the way us estheticians do it, and this is exactly how I want you to do it at home. And another self-care moment. Like, look at how lovely the neck looks. Immediate hydration. Doesn't it feel so nice, Jody? Like, yes, it's so smooth. Jody's saying it really, it is that like instant confidence booster.
And look at her skin.
Yes.
It's just glowing. You can see the luminosity. It's not oily or slick.
No.
You know, we say luminous, it just means, you know, her most beautiful, vibrant skin. I mean, and that's what you want.
Yeah.
In the neck area, the chest area. You'll notice she brought it down a little bit there as well.
Yeah.
And then, of course, you know, we had one for the face before. Pair them together.
Yes.
It's really the smartest thing you can do for yourself.
Exactly. And now, you know, we always like to say, we love to show you, we like to talk about it, but we also like to prove it through clinical testing. In a study after 8 weeks, it helped diminish the appearance of lines and wrinkles, improve the look of skin tone and evenness, and help improve the appearance of skin texture. So these are big results. You're seeing it on those before and afters too. Really, I mean, like that alone does my job for me. It really does. Like it's such an incredible before and after. I'm so happy for anyone who's using this. And that's the reason why this is such a big hit. This is a cult favorite, you guys, and it has not been around QVC in a long time because quite frankly, we can never keep it in stock. So I'm so thrilled it's back. You're able to get the power of these Perricone MD sciences, treat your jawline, your chin, your neck, and by midsummer, you will see astounding results.
And I know we have to go, but I do want to say this. You'll notice with all of the textures that we're seeing, everything is so smooth, it's silky. It is a whole sensual experience, and everything just melts into the skin. Nothing is, you know, oily or sticky or tacky. Everything just blends beautifully. So give this a try. Even if you've never treated your neck before, now is the time. We're showing all the skin. Why not? And like you said, don't wait to be a little bit on the more mature side. Start now. My ladies in my 20s and 30s. Tech neck, it's a real thing.
It's
Mommy neck is a real thing. Right?
$69.98
is your price today. End of the month. It's gonna go up to $135, and you're gonna lose that shipping at the end of the day. So pick it up now before it's too late. Over 1.6 million of these have been sold here at the Q, which I'm not surprised at.